Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your footage quality and Capcut project settings. Import the native high bitrate files because upscaling compressed clips only compounds artifacts. Once imported, go straight to project settings and choose Full HD or 4K resolution and pick the same frame rate as your source. Make sure to preserve color space where available. You're doing this first so every edit retains maximum detail, otherwise later sharpening and effects will amplify noise instead of clarity. Now you perform edits while protecting quality. You should make precise cuts and trims without re-encoding the whole timeline repeatedly. Keep all edits inside Capcut until final export. When color correcting, work with subtle curve adjustments and selective HSL tweaks so you don't crush detail. If using denoise or sharpening, apply them at low strength and preview at 100%. Aggressive settings create plastic textures. If you need to upscale, use Capcut's AI upscale only at the end, because it builds detail best from the final rendered frame. You finish by exporting with settings that preserve the work you did. Choose H, 264 or H, 265, set resolution to your project size, and increase bitrate to a high constant or use 2-pass encoding for consistent quality. Make sure hardware acceleration is appropriate for your codec. Once done, review the file at full resolution. If you see banding or noise, go back and reduce sharpening or denoise more gently, or re-export from the original source at a higher bitrate. That's the key troubleshooting step to recover clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.